Question number 1. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 5:8. Measure the two parts. According to the question, you need to draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter, and that is going to be our first step. So, using scale and pencil, let us draw a line segment that measures exactly 7.6 centimeter, like so. And here, let us name this AB. So AB is a line segment that measures 7.6 centimeter. This is the first step. After that, you need to draw a ray, say AX, making an acute angle with AB. Acute angle means an angle that measures less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree. So here, like so, let us draw a ray and name it AX. So here, AX makes an acute angle with line segment AB. So we have to make some divisions on this ray AX. Now the ratio given to us is 5:8. So we have to make 13 equal divisions because 5 plus 8 is equals to 13. So we are going to make 13 equal divisions on ray AX using the compass. For that, take a fixed measurement like this on your compass. Place the pointer at point A and draw an arc like so. So here you got the first arc and you can name this x1. So the distance AX1, it should be same as the next distance. That is, this distance should not change throughout. Whatever distance AX1 will be, that should be same as distance x1, x2. So without changing the distance, let us draw the third arc and name it x3. Keeping the pointer at this point where AX is intersected by x3, draw another arc. This will be x4. Here, keeping on x4, we'll draw x5. So this is x4 and here we have x5. Now keep the pointer at this point of intersection and draw another arc like this and name it x6. So like so we have to make 13 divisions with the same measurement. Remember that you should not change this distance because the distance should be fixed. All the 13 divisions, they should be of equal measurement. So this can be any measurement. It can be 1 centimeter or you just can take a fixed distance as per your convenience. So here this is x7, x8, x9, x10, x11, x12 and x13. So there we have made 13 equal divisions on ray AX. After that, you need to join B and x13 like so. So here B x13 is joined. Next, you need to draw a line parallel to BX13 passing through X5 because here we have to divide this in the ratio 5:8. So we'll draw a line segment parallel to BX13 from X5. For that, you need to follow the following steps. Here you need to take a fixed measurement on the compass. Keep it on x13 like so and draw an arc to intersect AX and BX13 both. After that, without changing the distance, keep the pointer at x5 and draw another arc like so. So here with x5 as the center, we have drawn an arc which has the same radius as this particular arc. Okay, once again I am repeating. For drawing parallel lines, the first step is keep your pointer at this point x13 and then draw an arc. Without changing this distance, keep the pointer at x5 and draw another arc that has the same radius. Now, the next step is keep the pointer over here at the point of intersection of AX with this ray, with this arc, and then measure this distance. So once after you have measured this distance, keep the pointer at the point of intersection of the previously drawn arc and draw another arc. You will get this point of intersection, and here you have x5. So joining these two points will give you a line segment which is parallel to bx13. So here let us join x5 and this point over here like this. So here CX5 is parallel to BX13. Also in the question, we are asked to measure the two parts. So let us go ahead and measure AC. As you can see here, AC it measures 2.9 centimeter. It is not exactly 3 centimeter. So here this measures 2.9 centimeter. So AC is equals to 2.9 centimeter and CB. This measures 4.7 centimeter as you all can see. So we'll write the measurement as well. CB is equals to 4.7 centimeter. So in all, we have divided this line segment AB that measures 7.6 centimeter in the ratio 5:8. After construction, let us now see the steps of construction. Now these steps are written in the same order in which we constructed. Step 1. Draw line segment AB is equals to 7.6 centimeter. Step 2. Draw a ray AX making an acute angle with line segment AB. Step 3. Locate 5 plus 8 which is equals to 13 points, namely x1, x2, x3, x4 and so on till x13 on AX such that AX1 is equals to x1, x2 which is equals to x2, x3 and so on. Step 4. Join BX13. Step 5. Through point x5, draw CX5 parallel to BX13 intersecting line segment AB at C. So these are the steps which we performed for the construction. So here point C divides AB in the ratio 5:8. And we are also asked to measure the line segments, the two parts. So here AC is equals to 2.9 centimeter and CB is equals to 4.7 centimeter. After mentioning the steps of construction, next we have to justify our construction. In order to understand the justification, there is a theorem which you need to understand first. It states that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Here, consider a triangle ABC. Now, according to the theorem, we are told if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. So, consider side BC, and I am drawing a rough figure over here. So, let this line be drawn parallel to BC. Line L is parallel to BC and it intersects side AB at point D and side AC at point E. So here D and E are the distinct points formed because of the line L. And here line L, it is parallel to line segment or the side BC, right? Now according to the theorem, which is known as the basic proportionality theorem, we can say that AD upon DB, that is AD upon DB, this is equal to AE upon EC. So whatever the ratio AD upon DB will be equal to, it will be equal to AE upon EC as well. Here you can see a triangle is formed, namely ABX13. Here you can see a triangle, and according to the construction we drew CX5 parallel to BX13. So we can say that in triangle ABX13, CX5 is parallel to BX13. Then according to basic proportionality theorem, which we just discussed, we can say that AC upon CB is equals to AX5 upon X5 X13. In this way, you need to write the justification. In triangle ABX13, BX13 is parallel to CX5 by construction. We did this already. Therefore, AC upon CB is equals to AX5 upon X5 X13. How do we know this? By the basic proportionality theorem. Since AX5 upon X5 X13 is equals to 5 upon 8. This is by construction, because here AX5, it consists of 5 equal parts, and from X5 till X13 here we have 8 equal parts. Therefore we can say that AX5 upon X5 X13 is equals to 5 upon 8. Therefore AC upon CB is equals to 5 upon 8, because these two are equal. That is, we can say AC is to CB is equals to 5 is to 8. So we have justified our construction here.